Today we're talking about a role that keeps countless businesses moving, literally. If a company has any vehicles on the road, from a handful of vans to a nationwide fleet, someone's got to keep them running smoothly. And that person is a fleet manager. Let's break down what a fleet manager does, why it's important, and how the role keeps evolving. Fleet managers do a lot more than just keep the cars running. They handle vehicle acquisition and planning, selecting the right vehicles based on cost, efficiency, and unique business needs. They handle maintenance and repairs, minimizing downtime by scheduling regular checkups and handling repairs quickly. Fuel and cost optimization, keeping tabs on expenses related to fuel, insurance, and overall vehicle costs. Driver safety and compliance, making sure drivers follow safety guidelines and regulations. And technology and data management, using software and telematics to gather data to optimize the fleet's performance. So why do fleet managers matter? They help cut costs. Vehicles can easily chew up 5 to 10% of a company's revenue. A good fleet manager uses route optimization, fuel rate negotiations, and streamlined maintenance to save money. They assist in staying compliant. There are so many regulators: DOT, EPA, IRS, you name it. And a fleet manager keeps everything legit to avoid fines. They maximize uptime. Every minute that a vehicle is off the road is a minute of lost revenue. So effective fleet management means fewer breakdowns and faster repairs, leading to maximized utilization. They also protect drivers. Road accidents can be a big liability. Fleet managers push for safety training and driver monitoring to reduce risks, skills that every fleet manager needs. Financial acumen, from budget management to total cost of ownership. Regulatory knowledge, keeping up with constantly changing rules and regulations. Data-driven decision-making, using telematics, GPS, and analytics to optimize routes and performance. Negotiation and vendor management, securing the best deals on fuel, insurance, and maintenance. So how is technology changing up the game for fleet managers? In 2025 and beyond, fleet managers are relying on advanced tools, telematics and GPS, for real-time tracking of vehicle locations, driver behavior, and fuel usage, automated maintenance schedules, keeping vehicles in tip-top shape and reducing emergency repairs, data analytics and AI, predictive insights for route optimization, vehicle performance, and driver safety, electrification. Many fleets are going hybrid or fully electric to cut costs and meet sustainability goals. The future of fleet management. So what does the future look like for fleet management? Companies are rethinking if they need their own fleet of vehicles, or if they should pivot towards reimbursement models like Favor. Companies are adopting a mixed fleet solution, combining company-owned vehicles with reimbursed personal vehicles for that added flexibility. There's data-driven mobility, using analytics to make strategic decisions, from vehicle acquisition to driver behavior and beyond. So who is a fleet manager? They're the strategic operator in charge of vehicles, drivers, and budgets, ensuring everything runs efficiently, safely, and within regulations. If your business relies on vehicles to get the job done, you need someone who can juggle all these moving parts. That's what a fleet manager is all about. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like button and stick around for more content on fleet management, vehicle reimbursement, and the future of mobility. See you next time.